Instructional designers work for school districts, universities, and companies that need to train consumers or employees how to use a tool or a product. Even when working for a school district or university, instructional designers typically work year-round in an office setting. But since 2020, many instructional designers are now working online. Many instructional designers work in e-learning, converting in-person teaching materials into online courses. Others develop training for corporations. Each hiring organization defines instructional designer jobs a little differently. Instructional designers don't typically have contact with the learners. The courses they design are usually facilitated by online faculty members. Positions for instructional designers range from regular employment to independent contractors or freelancers, and they might even be for work-at-home positions. Working from home is common, but even regular employment positions in instructional design can easily transition to full-time online.